Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites. Pick a trusted VPN provider and sign in. Install the provider's desktop app now. You need admin rights to complete setup. Once done, launch the app and allow required permissions so it can add network adapters. Make sure you're on a secure network for initial login to avoid exposing credentials. This also ensures the app can fetch server lists. Now you're ready to select a server and configure basic settings. Next, configure the app. Choose WireGuard for performance or OpenVPN for broader compatibility, and enable DNS leak protection so DNS queries stay private. Turn on the kill switch and auto start so you don't leak traffic if the VPN drops. Then pick a server, choose a nearby node for lower latency or a specific country to access region-locked content. Connect and verify the status indicator. Once connected, check your IP on a verification site and confirm traffic routes through the VPN. To finish, validate your protection. Run an IP and DNS leak check to confirm the VPN masks your address and handles DNS. If the connection fails, switch protocols, try an alternate server, or reboot your PC and the app. Small changes often fix routing or adapter issues. Make sure the VPN app and OS are updated. Drivers or outdated builds cause conflicts. If problems continue, gather connection logs and contact provider support.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.